The recommended tire pressure on this bike is probably close to 50 pounds, 50 PSI. All your weight of you and most of the bike rides on your back tire as you roll forward, so always make sure that you make sure your rear tire is pumped up before you ride each time.
I would imagine that especially holds true if you have a rack and panniers and weight and locks.
Right, and you're adding more and more weight to that back inner tube. You want to definitely check that. Oh, sorry.
Is there any advantage or disadvantage to the orientation, like 10 o'clock versus 2 o'clock?
No, it's whatever's easier on your back. You're just trying to get it up on a high point where I can put air in and look at the gauge at the same time. Put the same tire pressure in on both tires.